I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Well, hello there, and welcome to another exciting edition of Kip Does Stuff. Today, I've got a TV that's been given to me, and much like free TVs, they come without the mounting hardware. So this TV doesn't have the little feet that go underneath here. So today we're going to make a stand for it. I've decided against using the location where the feet are now because they're way on the outside of the TV, and it requires a large flat surface for it to hold the TV up. What I'm going to do is spin it around, and on the back here is the 4 screws that use for the wall mount. So I will build a mount for the rear here. It'll go down to a stand. The TV will sit like this with the mount going front to rear to keep it from tipping over backwards or forward. So let's get started. Okay, we've got the TV laying flat on a quilt, and we got lucky. The previous owners saved the screws that came with the TV originally for the feet, and they match up here in the back for these 4 mounting locations. Okay, now all we need to do is measure the center of each one of these locations from here to here, from here to here, and then we can transfer those measurements to a piece of plywood and make our base. Looks like 110 millimeters by 110 millimeters square. Pretty simple. Okay, we got a 1x6 that we're going to use for the stand. We need to cut it into 2 pieces. We need to cut it 16 inches and 12 inches. Okay, I've got my layout lines ready. It's 110 by 110. And this will be my whole location here and here. Doesn't matter if it's perfect on here because it's just going to be a stand for a TV I got secondhand. I'll mark the drilling locations with my scratch awl, make through holes, and then I'll do a countersink so that the stand can sit over these little knobs. Okay, we'll go ahead and check the fit. Put a couple screws in to see how they line up. Looks perfect. Now we'll build the base. Okay, I've made a little layout line there. I'm going to put an upright like this. Since more of the TV weight will be in the front, I got more of the stand out front to keep it from tipping forward. All I need to do is drill 3 holes in this, and then 3 holes in this, and screw it together. Okay, with all the holes pre-drilled and the screws started, I will put the base together. pretty solid. I could put a gusset in the rear, but I don't think I will because I don't think I'll be using this TV very much anyway. Now all we have to do is put the stand on the back of the TV. Now all that's left is to stand it up and see how it looks. Very nice. Rocks a little bit this direction. Not front heavy or back heavy. It'll work good as my second monitor for my computer. Thanks for watching.